Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you simple trick to write table of 5 for kids who are so much confused or cannot learn table of 5 easily. I will tell you a simple way how you can learn table of 5 very easily. First of all, I want to tell you about that in my earlier video you can see that some kids cannot write tables in a very right way. Sometimes they write more than 10. So I'm telling here the method, and I have also told in my earlier video how you can make the your child to write easily any of the table, so as he cannot write the number more than it needed as I'm writing. If you want to see in detail and explain your child very properly, you can see my earlier video. In this I will tell you how you can make your child easily learn and write table of 5. Okay, firstly we will write 5, then 0. Same sequence we will follow in all. Then again 5, then 0, then 5, then 0, again 5, again 0, again 5, again 0. Next step is upper 5 we will leave. From second one, 2 time we will write 1, 2 time 2, 2 time 3, 2 time 4, and last one we will write 5. From we can see from upside. 5 ones are 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20, 5 for the 20, 5 for the 25, 5 6 to 30, 5 7 to 35, 5 words are 40, 5 9 to 45, 5 10 to 50. It is a simple trick. You can make your child learn 5 table very easily, very simple way, so as your child can learn so easily so easily table of 5. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel.